Hello friends, today I'll be telling you how to work on GameSalad Creator. My system does not have the GameSalad Creator, so I'll also let you know how it will be downloaded from the website through Google search, and then we'll run that file. Okay, let's see what are the hindrances we face during this working. Okay, so first of all, as usually I do, refresh your system twice, then go to Chrome. So once the Chrome is opened, just type GameSalad. Okay, so GameSalad download free. When you go to that options, there is something called Softonic and GameSalad.com. So you should go to the genuine site called GameSalad.com. Okay, it's opening. So this is the logo of GameSalad Creator. Actually, this is a simple tool, or you can just say a gaming tool, which generates an APK file and helps you in getting the game to the Google Play Store. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll look into this and we can see, okay, congratulations, you are about to start making games with GameSalad Creator and all that. But first you all need to create an account. If you have an account, you can like just sign in, or if you don't, you need to create an account. So I don't have an account now, or like I have uninstalled it, so I'll create an account again and do it. Okay, so the account is services at the rate food ratio dot co dot in, and the password. Okay, so I have placed a mail ID and a password. Okay, it says the username is already taken, please choose another. So I'll make use of some other mail ID. Let's see if it works. Okay, so this has worked. So I'll be downloading the GameSalad Creator for my system, which is running on Windows 10, and let's see some of the features. It says install the GameSalad Creator when the file is okay. So the download is complete for the execution file. We'll open it. Okay, let's wait. Enter it. Okay, so GameSalad Creator is getting launched. It's gathering the metadata which is required for running the file. It's downloading it. Okay, by meanwhile I'll let you know what is a GameSalad Creator. It is a simple software which is a drag and drop tool which helps you to create the number of actors you want and the number of themes you want to play on. So it is the most easiest tool for any of the person. Like, you can just guess out, it's not an HTML code, not a PHP code, it's just a drag and drop tool, and you just need to like practice it further to get expertise in it. Okay, so the GameSalad Creator helps you to design a game, something called Flappy Bird or some bouncing balls or something like that, so that you can design it, alien attack, something like that. So you have something called spawn characters here, you have some theme to define, like you have to design a program that when I hit this object to that part, it should go back to that surface. So that has to be designed. So the most important part of the GameSalad is the algorithm which works in it. Okay, the system is unpacking the file, and once it is done, I'll let you know the logo. Let me explain that logo. The logo clearly signifies that a number of characters are merged together in a bowl, and that ball is the scene. this scene creates the file which you need to play a game. Okay. Okay, so the downloading is complete. It's unpacking the file, and once it's done, we'll see what are the hindrances further we face before installing this creator. Okay, so we have something called GameSalad Creator is installed. It's asking about the login. Okay, so I'll just log in. So it's a free trial for 4 days. Okay, so we can see here there are number of sections called library, attributes, stage and backstage. So in order to create a project, you have to design initial scene. You can have a scene 1, scene 2. You have something called layers, create an actor, add assets, and this is the library. So in order to add something, you need to create an actor. So this is actor 1. Media, this is the block. Okay, so we'll go to actor 1. Drag an image here. Let that